What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we're doing a little review video from the guys over at AUXITO. You guys, if you're like me, you've been seeing a lot of ads from them lately. I've used their LED bulbs in the past, and I'm excited to use them again on our 89 Trans Am GTA. They reached out to me and they sent me these. I feel like I'm a kid with like Pokemon cards again. I'm just like, whew, I got a couple more boxes over there. But they reached out to me and asked me if I was interested. I told them I'd like to try to update the bulbs in the taillights in this car. I think a lot of people out there with the third gens are probably interested in that. You know, you get brighter lights, really lights up the grid taillights hopefully, and you know, less draw on the system. So I'm looking forward to using these. So they sent me, I'll put the links in the description, but they sent me 2 for the reverse bulbs and 6 for the brake lights and the turn signals. So we're gonna get them installed. They're super simple to do in this car. And these should just be plug and play. So if you guys are interested, we do have a link down in the description. It helps me out a little bit, and you guys can go get some bulbs of your own. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to post comments below, and I'll answer them as well as I can. But I think that's enough talking. I want to go get these installed. I'm going to do one side first. We'll compare them to the factory halogens, and then we'll do the rest of them. And we'll get the car outside and see what they look like. Alright, so I got the bulbs out. This is factory. This is aftermarket. You can just tell they're going to be way brighter. Alright, just testing reverse lights. That's going to be insanely bright in comparison. Look at that. That's like blinding. Alright, let's get the taillight put back in and we'll do a full test. Alright, got it back in. We're not totally put together yet because I got to do this side yet, but let's compare the two. I'm going to try and lock my exposure here so we'll get an accurate depiction of them both. Turn on the lights here. Start here. I don't know how well you can tell, but those are significantly brighter. So we can drop it back and see them both. Oh yeah, you can totally tell. Let's put the reverse lights on. Same deal. It's annoying. Okay, in reverse. Telling the reflection already, it's pretty bright. I'm gonna do the same thing. Trying to only show you this one. Is that reverse light? It's crazy. So much brighter. I don't even know if it does it justice, honestly. Let's turn the light off in the house, or the garage here. Oh man. Again, I think the camera hurts it, doesn't do it total justice, but man, how bright those are. That's crazy. The backup light is blinding. That's awesome. All right, we're gonna go put the other one in, and the other side, and then we'll see the thing lit up completely. I don't even need to take it outside now. I don't think it looks good. In here, you can get a good idea of how bright it is. Wow. There we are, we're complete. Holy crap. Those are bright, man. Those look so cool. And they make the grids just pop. Here, I'm gonna try and lock it again. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go shut the lights off, and then we'll turn the reverse lights on again too, and we'll check those out. So. Holy crap. It's just like, there's so much light in here now. It's so cool. Tie this together, I probably have a license plate light laying around, but man, those look really, really good. Alright, I'm gonna go turn the reverse lights on. We'll take a look again. There's the reverse lights. They are bright. They look good. You get down here, they're literally blinding. They look good, man. I'm a big fan of those. All in all, fit and finish on these are as you'd expect from any high quality LED bulb. They fit perfect. They're light up, and they light well. I mean, let's compare it. That's the fog lights. That's the reverse lights. That's nuts. I think they're brighter than the fog lights. That's so crazy. You'll never have trouble seeing out of this car again. That is awesome. So happy they sent these over. That looks really, really good. Big fan of that. Oh, what do you guys think? I'm impressed. I didn't know they were going to light up the grids so well. Those grids look so, so good now. I'm curious to hear what you guys think, though. Let me know down in the comments. What do you think about these? These are, I'd say, roughly about $100 worth of LED bulbs. But that's 8 bulbs. So, like, that's a lot. It's a really good deal. Just want to show brake light function, too. Pitch black in here, right? I've got lights on in here, but pitch black. Brake lights. So dang bright. So good. Zoom with the lights on. So the lights, brake lights. Plenty bright. I think I just noticed that my brake light in the wing is burnt out. Huh. Not the AUXITO, so that's a different one. Alright guys, I thought it'd be fitting if I ended this video using the lighting of the AUXITO bulbs. Hopefully I don't look too red or whatever, but these things, fit and finish, are fantastic. I really want to thank AUXITO for sending these out. They fit like a standard bulb, and they are probably twice as bright. So really excited about that. They light the grids up so well. These taillights are a favorite design of mine, and I just love how they look with these. One thing to be cautious about is if you may run into issues with your turn signals where they don't flash. You just need to add a resistor to the lights so that the car knows that they're there. The load and the resistance of the LEDs is so little that the car thinks you have a burnt out bulb. So you just got to add a resistor sometimes. These ones will not flash for me, so I have to add a resistor. Not the bulb's fault. You just need to get bulbs that are specific for that. So keep an eye out for that. Outside of that, I'm super happy with these. They're bright. You can probably tell right now. They're lighting this place up. They're brighter than the fog lights. And they look really, really good. So if you guys are interested, link in the description. I got you guys. Go check it out. That helps me as well. So I appreciate it if you use that link. And yeah, go check out AUXITO. Thank you, AUXITO, for sending these out. Super awesome of you guys. I appreciate the support on the channel. And I appreciate a quality product. So thank you guys. Appreciate you sending it out. Appreciate you guys for watching. And we'll see you guys in the next video.